How to fix TikTok video playlist feature not showing. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to add a video to the playlist as well as fix TikTok video playlist not showing. So let's go ahead and get right in with the video here. So you can see on my account right now that if I go ahead and search around, you guys can see that I don't actually have the option to actually add my actual videos to a playlist. So I'm gonna go ahead and check. You guys can see I don't have it whatsoever. So I'm gonna show you guys how you can go ahead and get it. So let's go ahead and get right in. So firstly, you're gonna wanna go ahead and click the three horizontal lines at the top right hand corner. Now go ahead and click settings and privacy. Now, once you're here, go ahead and make your way down all the way to support and about. Now here, you're gonna wanna go ahead and click report a problem. Now, once you're here at report a problem, you will get a few topics here. Now, make sure you guys go ahead and pick a topic that's similar to your problem. Now, this goes for every other problem that you're having. Go ahead and diagnose it by looking at some of these topics. Now, here, I'm not really finding it. So here, I'm gonna go ahead and click videos. You guys can see none of the actual playlist thing is here. So I'm gonna go ahead and click other here. Now it's going to say how to delete posted videos, but I'm going to click others since my topic is not here similar to my issue. So I'm gonna go ahead and click need more help right under here. Once I do that, it's gonna ask me to tell us their feedback or tell them my feedback. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna screenshot my account. I'm gonna do a screenshot and then attach the photo to my actual ticket here. So once I've done that, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I give them a brief description of what is actually going on with my account. So I'm gonna say along the lines, my TikTok playlist feature is not seen on my account. I am eligible for it, but can't get it. Please help me. So just say something along the lines like that, and then go ahead and submit your ticket. Now, TikTok will get back at you. It usually takes maybe a day, a couple days, who knows, maybe even a week, but it won't take any longer than a week or like 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So just be sure of that because you will have to wait a little bit for that. But send the ticket. They will diagnose your problem that you're having with the playlist, and they'll go ahead and give it to you guys more than likely. So essentially, that's been it for today's video. Please leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll go ahead and see you guys until next time.